A quick walkthrough of the studio villa at Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge. This is room 5123. Queen size bed. You've got nightstands on either side with USBs and electric power outlets. You've got a sofa here that pulls out for a sofa bed. And this does pull up to make an eating surface or a work surface here on the cabinet here on the floor. Over here on this side, you've got plenty of drawers for storage, a television. You have a small table with chairs, a mirror, more power, more USB. There's 10 USB outlets in this room and more than that in power outlets. You've got a kitchenette with coffee maker, microwave, mini fridge, and in this cabinet up here above, there is a toaster oven. There's plenty of storage, and it's even got this really cool pull-out pantry on the side. You got a small closet here with a safe ironing board for your luggage. You can store luggage underneath the bed also. There's a large barn door with a full-size mirror. Over here is the bathroom with a single sink, plenty of storage, extra shelves on top of the sink. There is a hairdryer in the room. And over here is the bathroom with shower, and it does have a rainfall shower head up there. So that is a studio villa at Copper Creek at Wilderness Lodge. Again, room 5123. Hope you enjoy the tour.